Have you ever wondered why do wind turbines spin so slowly, but they can still generate electricity? So, how much electricity can one revolution generate? Actually, wind power generation uses wind to drive the blades to rotate. Then, it increases the speed through a gearbox to match the asynchronous generator's speed, to achieve stable frequency and voltage output. Usually, wind turbines have a power output of about 2,000 kilowatts, rotate 17 times per minute, can generate 2,000 kilowatt-hours per hour. The daily electricity generation is equivalent to the power generated by 11 tons of high-quality coal. It is one of the most environmentally friendly clean energy sources, since it's wind power. Is it better if the wind is stronger? Actually, it's not. The blades of the turbine are generally about 50 meters long. Each blade weighs 15 tons. If such heavy blades were to spin at high speeds, the blades could easily break and could even catch fire. So, when the wind speed is too high, the blades will adjust their angle to change the wind-facing area, effectively protecting the generator unit.